Hello guys, you're welcome. I want to bring to us a way of which I was able to get one of the channel back and also secure it and also secure other of my YouTube channels and also my account. Even your Instagram account or any account that is attached to the email that your YouTube channel is using, either on Facebook. So this time we are going to be showing us the successful way that you can easily secure your account against attacker. At this point, we are going to create a new one. You have to create a password that has combination of lowercase, uppercase, letter, small letter or symbol, space bar. So just like in this case, please always avoid using your personal detail. It's very important. Don't use your personal detail in creating your password. Try and use something that doesn't have any relationship to do with your personal detail. Okay, at least 8 letter word, just at least 8 letter that is combined, lowercase, uppercase, then number and symbol. You can even use space bar. You repeat it here. If you are not sure of when you are creating it, please you turn this one on. It will show you if you type it correctly. Then you click on continue. You have to put the other details here. This number is optional, so you can put it or not. But meanwhile, I would rather advise you put it so as to be able to secure your, because it's also one of the means or one way of securing your password. Wow, we are out there. One of the reasons why we are making this video is in order to be able to secure this email account. You will now come to this place and click on manage your Google account. So here we are coming to security. This place, protect. You click on protect your account. Good. See, because we just put this and we've not verified, we have to first of all, that is the first thing that you have to do. You have to verify your account by clicking verify. They will ask you for the password the same way you type it in. Just repeat it. You click on login. Good. It has entered on my own phone. So type it in 902076. Once you type in, you click on next. So you can see that the phone number has been successfully verified. We're going to do this too, the two-step verification, because there is no phone attached to it. We have to log in this particular account on a phone. So we have to log it in on a phone. Let's log it in now. Let's go back and set up. Let's set up, put the password. So it has shown the phone that I just logged on. So click next. See, it has shown the phone. Then on the phone, you will be asked to pick yes. Now if you are the one that are allowing them to log in, this has turned on. This is one. So when you come here, it has been turned on. You can see it's turned on. So then this authenticator app is the most useful, but then I will advise you to use the authentication app with your phone. You go to your QR scanner to scan it. Once you take the scan, it will ask OK. You OK it, and it is safe. You send next. You click on next. The code will now be sent to that. The code will be generated. On this, I received 44921. So once you verify it, it's done. On it now, it has shown authenticator on Android. Now when you click on this icon, you say create a channel. You create a channel. Then let's say these ones are not necessary for now. You create. Channel is being created. Check in a few moments.